guys, welcome to my channel. Nandito na naman tayo sa labas. Kasama si Gray. Gray, say hi to my vlog. Ayan, mainit ba? So, continuation ng Nissan Sentra project natin, no? So, last time, nagpalit na ako ng alternator, nagpalit ng rear rotor. Ngayon, magpapalit tayo ng front rotor. Ito. Siguro, 4 months ko na itong binili. Hindi ko lang naasikasong ikabit. So, ayan. Brake disc. Hindi ko alam na slotted. Alam ko ordinary lang binili ko eh. Slotted ba nabili ko? No? Ayan, tingnan ko nga. Mga ibon nakakainis oh. May mga tayong kotse. Talagang tina-target nila yan eh. Ang luwag-luwag ng space. Pero sa kotse sila, yun talaga babagsakan nila ng bomba yung yung kotse eh. Nakakainis na talaga itong mga ibon na to eh. Sabi ko sa miss ko eh, pag ako nainis i-airgun ko itong mga to eh. Sabi na miss ko, wag kawawa daw. Kawawa! Ay, islat itong nabili ko. Ganda naman yan. Match sa likod. Akala ko ordinary lang nabili ko dyan. Match yan. Ayan o. With the tire jack on, we can remove the tire. The tire, yeah. One. All right. Removing the 2 bolts after I loosened it. It's a size 19. Natanggal ko na yung brake caliper, no? Makapal pa naman yung brake pads. Kapapalit ko pa lang nito a few months ago. Siguro mga 3 months ago. Pero syempre kailangan natin linisin. Moment of truth. Just lights out. Okay. Okay. It's still straight. Alright. Let me clean it. Okay, let's install it with just one hand. That's it. That's it. If there's any, you need to get rid of the oil. If there's any, I don't have a tripod at this point. I'm just gonna put this on top and align the 2 bolts. And just tighten it. Make sure you torque this down. I had an experience where it got loose because I did not torque it down. Madali mag-install sa harap kumpara sa likod kasi hindi siya connected sa parking brake. Pero since nandito na tayo, i-bleed na rin natin yung brake. No, so kailangan natin assistant. Yan ang assistant ko, AJ. Tapos binuksan ko na to. Yan, meron tayong fluid dito siya. Tanggalin lang na ito yung rubber. Tapos gamit tayo nito. Let's take the rubber cover. And what's the size? I think this is a size 10. Size 10. Yep, size 10. My contraption to bleed the brakes. Tropical Rhythm. Alright. This thing is loose. Step. Let go. There's a gap. Okay. One more step all the way. Let go. Bled it a couple of times and I got some bubbles already. Check on the brake level. Okay, we need to add a little. Guys, that's it. Ganun lang magpalit ng ng disc rotor sa harap, no? Pero sinabay ko na nga yung pag-bleed ng brakes. So kumuha tayo ng lumang brake fluid dyan. Tapos syempre naalis natin yung ibang bubbles and ni-refill natin yung level sa taas sa brake fluid level nya. So yan, babalik ko lang yung gulong and yun din ang gagawin ko sa kabilang side. So with that, tatapusin ko na, madali lang. By the way, ito yung direction nito, nung line na to, pang scoop pala yun ng air, pang kuha ng hangin, pang salok ng hangin. Kaya dapat pa ganyan ang direction yan para mas madaling lumamig yung rotor. Mas madaling lumamig, syempre mas efficient ang braking. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe para makagawa tayo mas maraming video. See you next time. Bye.